Now, I love me a Mercedes-Benz AMG SUV coupe, and I'm in one of my favorites right now, the GLC 43. And even though this vehicle has 485 horsepower and can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 4.7 seconds, it's the technology in this vehicle that will revolutionize the way you use navigation.
Have you ever been given an address and when you arrive you can't actually find the right place, or you've agreed to meet friends at a certain location and just couldn't find them when you got there?
Well, that problem has been solved, and you'll find it in all brand new Mercedes-Benz vehicles.
The app is called What3Words. Now, rather than me tell you how it works for drivers, we asked Chris Sheldrick, co-founder and CEO of What3Words, via Zoom to explain it.
So drivers can use What3Words by speaking a 3-word address straight into the car. It's as easy as saying something like Coffee Branch Pyramid, and the car is then going to navigate to exactly that 3-meter square.
The phone app allows you to find yourself on a map and give people your 3-word address. And this has many more far-reaching applications. Its address is searcher's dibble onwards.
Just type in or verbally say those 3 words to your Mercedes-Benz, and the navigation will take you to that 3 meters square in the Grand Canyon, exactly specific to the address.
The middle of the top step in front of the Lincoln Memorial. Imagine Ballots Lock. Send that to your friends and they'll find you. Now, you're obviously not able to drive up the steps of the Lincoln Memorial, but you can use your smartphone to complete the journey once you've parked your Mercedes.
Now, we've tried it in Mercedes-Benz, but what other vehicles will this system be coming to soon?
So you can use What3Words in all new Mercedes-Benz cars. You can also use it in Ford cars using something called AppLink. And there's a bunch of new cars coming soon, which we'll be announcing over the next few months.
Because the phone app allows you to find yourself on a map and give people your 3-word address, this may have many more reaching applications. Imagine emergency services being able to find missing hikers, or someone's location just by using What3Words.
Now, this technology may be built into every car in the future, but right now, I'm enjoying it and the new GLC 43.
I'm Nik Miles.